Okay, this is a little demonstration for all those people out there that say the battery charger for the Mavic Mini charges too slow. Well, yes it does if you don't do it correctly. This is the cable that comes with the Mavic Mini. Now I happen to have an outlet that has USB on it. I'm going to plug this into just a regular power outlet. Now, see how slowly that's charging? Yes, it is slow if you use a regular charger. Now I'm going to unplug this. Here is the one that comes with the Mavic Mini. This is actually a fast charger. So I'm going to plug this in. I'm now going to plug in, going to plug this in. Now watch. Look how much faster that's charging. That's because you need to use the fast charging plug with the Mavic Mini battery charger. This will charge all these batteries in an hour.